Alright, what's up? It's been almost like it's been like 2 weeks. 2 weeks since I have traded. Just have been live in general. So it's been a little while. But we're back. So you have to take a little break. The market was is really, really bad. Really stuck in the consolidation range. And I seen gold was going crazy. The Nasdaq and stocks, at least it was stuck in this little holding pattern while gold was going crazy. I don't really trade gold. It's not really like my thing. So it's just I didn't really want to touch it like that. But eventually I might start to expand. Maybe start look at some like some commodities and stuff like that. Maybe start trading them like long term trade, not really like a day trade or a scalp or whatever. But for now, I just I'm gonna break this down for me, I guess. For y'all, for me, shit, if anybody's watching. So, basically, let me go back a little bit. Like I said, we were stuck in this range. We see fair value gap price was stuck between here and honestly, like I guess you could say even here. You see this small fair value gap in here. Guys, you're just really stuck bouncing back and before and all the other fair value gaps and all the little like gaps and everything in between. We've been stuck in the range for like quite, basically the whole month of January. But yesterday, we finally see some, like, we leave this area by what? We close above this fair value gap right here. We get a nice strong close, right? So you get two basically consecutive candles of where we take out the high and the lows intact. So we're making higher highs, basically. And right now, there's a small little gap up in here. You see, we see price at London, the London session we come, we take out all this liquidity, we even come to the halfway point. But after that, price has just been retracing down. Like, I'll show you. Basically, since I guess it's like the opening session, that's essentially what we did. Like, if we look at the opening range gap, we kind of felt it. You see, like there's a gap right here. Like we did more than 50% of it, right? So in my head, right, honestly, I'm just off the daily alone. I'm looking for buys. But at least, price, we did take out not the previous, but the high that was, the nearest high in the daily. We took that out. But since we took it out, prices has been dropping. We gapped up and then from there we traded down. Right? Think about that. We gapped up and traded down more than the 50% halfway point. So honestly, this is a decent retracement relative to I guess you could say from Tuesday to Wednesday. This will probably like maybe halfway or maybe we're just shy of halfway. But in my opinion, this is still a decent retracement. Yeah, like about halfway. A little bit under halfway. So this is, in my opinion, this is a decent retracement, right? So I'm gonna see if I could get in par with the longer. We see the first fair value gap at the afternoon session. Price comes hit it, and then we get a nice little response off of this. So we're gonna see maybe we could close above this daily imbalance, get to this daily halfway wick, and then maybe we could trade up into the first percent the fair value gap at 9. At the New York morning session. And then if we keep, get overzealous, hey, we could probably come back to the London session high. And if we keep going after that, I'm pretty sure this is maybe the all-time highs right there. Yeah, that is the all-time highs. It just depends how overzealous price wants to be today. It's honestly, I think we can. Like, the all-time highs is like a few hundred. Like I said, depending on how today's FOMC is, I think we can see that get tapped. But we'll see though. But yes, I'm sticking to a long bias. That's my bias right now. So let me just Hold up, give me a second. See people saying trader has been acting up. Bro, I can't even log back into the Ninja Trader. I can't even show the opening, bro, because my goddamn, like, oh my god, man, trader views just bugging out, bro. It's like the second time this month it's been bugging out, man. Yo, what in the world is going on, man? Having major technical difficulties right now. This is, I can't even copy. I can't even use. I can't even copy my trade right now. We don't know how it goes. Wait till at least 2:30. Wait till it moves to drop. Ninja trade is still not working. Oh my god, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna reset my thing, man. I'm having so much problems with this.